Hello beautiful babes, and thanks for clicking on the video. I am Sweet Angel and I am so glad to have this opportunity to hang out with you. Please make sure we stay in contact. All you have to do is subscribe to the channel and hit the post notification bell, and that way you'll be notified the next time I upload a video. Beautiful babes, I am eternally grateful for you, definitely, and for the opportunity to share with my beautiful babes some hand-picked products that I do get a chance to come across. And in this video, I have one of those such products to share with you. This product today is from Nourishing Nutrients. What I was sent today is a 100% extra virgin cold pressed, unfiltered, unrefined organic black seed oil, and I was elated to get this black seed oil. It is a dietary supplement and it's USDA organic virgin cold pressed oil, unrefined and unfiltered, to be purely natural, kosher certified, gluten-free, halal certified, vegan friendly, alcohol and solvent free, non-GMO, and a superfood also for your skin.
Ever wondered if there's a natural remedy for common health issues? Well, have you ever heard of black seed oil? Yes, you heard it right, black seed oil. This amazing oil is derived from the seeds of the Nigella sativa plant, a small flowering shrub that has been blessing humanity with its seeds for centuries. Now you might be wondering, why have people been using it for so long? Well, it's all about the potential health benefits that this oil may offer. However, it's important to remember that we're all unique, and our bodies may respond differently to black seed oil. From its anti-inflammatory properties to its antioxidant effects, black seed oil has been traditionally used in various ways to potentially enhance health and well-being. So, are you ready to explore this wonder oil? Great! Now let's delve into the potential benefits of this wonder oil. So, what are the possible benefits of black seed oil? There are quite a few. Firstly, black seed oil is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, thanks to a compound called thymoquinone. This means it could help reduce inflammation in the body, making it a potential ally for those dealing with chronic inflammatory conditions. Next up is the oil's antioxidant effects. Antioxidants are crucial in protecting our cells from damage caused by free radicals. This protective characteristic of black seed oil can contribute to our overall health and well-being. Then there's immune system support. Some studies suggest that black seed oil may bolster the immune system, possibly due to its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. For centuries, black seed oil has been used for respiratory conditions like asthma and bronchitis. Current research is exploring its potential benefits for respiratory health. When it comes to digestive health, black seed oil is believed to have a positive impact, potentially aiding in the relief of indigestion and bloating. But it's not just our internal health that can benefit. Black seed oil is also used topically for various skin conditions, including eczema, psoriasis, and acne. Its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial effects may be just what your skin needs. And let's not forget about hair and scalp health. Some folks use black seed oil topically to promote hair growth and improve the health of the scalp. Weight management is another area where black seed oil may shine. Some studies suggest it could aid in weight management and reducing obesity-related complications. For those managing diabetes, there's limited research suggesting that black seed oil may help improve insulin sensitivity. Heart health is another area where black seed oil might have a positive impact. It could potentially lower cholesterol levels and support overall heart function. Joint health could also benefit from the anti-inflammatory properties of black seed oil, providing potential relief for conditions like arthritis. Some studies have even explored the potential anti-cancer properties of black seed oil, although more research is needed in this area. Finally, black seed oil has shown antimicrobial properties, making it potentially useful against certain bacteria and fungi. Each of these potential benefits makes black seed oil a versatile and potentially beneficial addition to your daily routine. However, as with any natural remedy, there are precautions to consider. It's crucial to understand that while the potential benefits of black seed oil are promising, the research is still ongoing. We're still unraveling the mysteries of how this oil works and its full effectiveness. It's like piecing together the world's most intricate puzzle, one piece at a time. Now let's be clear. Black seed oil isn't a magic potion. It's not going to solve all your problems overnight. It's a supplement, a potential addition to your health routine. And here's the most important part. If you're pregnant, nursing, or if you're on any medication, it's imperative to consult with your healthcare professional before you start using black seed oil. It's all about being safe, being informed, and making decisions that are best for your health. Black seed oil, a natural remedy with a range of potential benefits. But remember, always consult your healthcare professional before trying something new. Until next time, stay healthy.
You might want to try that as soon as you get yours. If you're ready to order today, go ahead and check out the link down below in my description box. Again, one oil, a multitude of purposes and benefits. All of that information will likewise be available to you on your purchase, so be ready to explore its many uses. I am your girl Sweet Angel, signing out for now. Y'all enjoying my black seed oil, and I have been A1 since day one, without a doubt. If you enjoyed today's video or if you found it helpful, be sure you do these favors for me. Make sure you thumbs up this video, subscribe to the channel if you have not already. If you want to know each and every time I upload, be sure to turn your notification bell to all. And I certainly hope if you don't do any of those other things, I really wish you would help someone else. Make sure you tell everybody where you're hanging out at. So please share me with your world. And I'll see you and you on the next video. Bye.